Good evening. So my name is Nisi. I live in Zone 7B in Maryland. And it's evening. I usually record these videos during the morning, but it has been crazy in my little community lately. So the cicadas are out. If you can hear them, I don't know if my mic is picking that up, but we're reaching the end of the season here. And so things are dying or going to seed and preparing for next year. So I have cleanup to do. And this is going to be wild, y'all. But real talk, I tried to record this video like, what was it, Saturday? I was out here and I was trying to, I'm going to put the video in for it because I was trying to clean up my dwarf Alberta spruce because, it got died in the it got died. It got died. It had got died, but, or it perished when it was like 100 degrees out here. So I was trying to cut it. First, I tried the pruners, then I tried the loppers, and just dirt just in my face. So I was like, you know what? That's it for today. I'm going to try another day. So I'm out here today, and I'm not going to try cleaning because that's going to be a weekend activity. And actually, it has gotten really warm again. So I'm sitting on the deck, and I'm going to put some lettuce seeds in. It's getting to the end of the season. You gotta some fall crops, like you can plant brassicas right now, cabbage, broccoli, kale. I'm going to be putting some lettuce in. I want to show y'all something else that happened though. Let me stop talking because I'm Southern, and if you know any Southern people, we chatty. It's like you have Southern friends, y'all be like, bye. And then that conversation goes on for another 20 minutes. I'm that person, just FYI. So I want y'all to appreciate the concerted effort I make not to talk you to death. Because I want to, but I'm not. Hold on, let me show you what I got going on. Okay, so I'm sitting in my rocking chair on the deck. Look at this one. Right in my face. Hi, sweet boy. Okay, so he's like as close as he could possibly get, and I don't mind it. So I'm going to hug Dante, and you can see things are starting to die out. So I don't know if you can see my basil there, but the Thai and cinnamon. You can see the Italian basil here. I need people to come get this, and I put a notice out, but nobody came to get it. So there's still a bunch. The what is this? Cucumber has started to die out. There's still like a few strange looking cucumbers on the vine. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these so I can see three there. But I'm probably gonna go ahead and pull this up. And this is so interesting. So this is dill, and this is a cilantro. And I did not plant any seeds. So I had dill, cilantro, and spinach growing in this container. And when the weather got cool, the seeds, I let it go to seed. So when the weather got cool, it must have just started to decide to grow. Y'all can't see this, but hold on. Look at this foolery. He said, I'm just going to be as close to you as I possibly can. And so he's hitting the camera and everything. I'm going to have to move the dog around. Give me a second. Is it so cute? Okay. So, once it started to get cool, the seeds that have fallen down in here just started to grow. So I haven't added anything to this. There's a cilantro, and here is dill, and I'm assuming the spinach seeds may not have fallen in because I don't see any spinach in here. What I'm going to put in here now is lettuce. I have some arugula and some lettuce seeds that I want to put in, so that's what I'm going to do. So I have these arugula seeds that I believe I got from Lowe's. So I'm going to use these. So these are what the arugula seeds look like. Says they're supposed to be in sun to part shade. So I'm just going to drop a couple of these because they only need to be at a 1/8 inch planting depth. And I'm just dropping some in and we can always thin them out. And then I'm also going to just plant these lettuce seeds. It says gourmet blend, 45 to 50 days. Don't know, I probably should have planted these at the beginning of August, but we're going to try. Nothing beats a failure but a try. That's what my daddy used to say. So these are what these lettuce seeds look like. And this is to a 1/4 inch depth. So I'm just going to kind of sprinkle these. And then I'm just going to cover up. And that's pretty much it for that. I'm hopeful that the things that I have out here that are still growing will finish growing and that I'll be able to harvest them. So you can see here the last of my cucumbers. This is a lemon balm. Once it got cool, the mint started growing back. I definitely have to trim back this time. I trimmed it at the beginning of the season. It is very happy. That's some zinnia seeds that I threw in. So we'll see how those do. Another little weird cucumber. And the basil. I wish I'd get rid of this basil. I sure do. I can still harvest these jalapenos. The last of my marigolds. This is a little lime tree. No, little lime. Well, this is the end of the tomato plant, and I'm hoping that it would do anything. So you can see, as we've started to get cooler nights, this thing is loaded with tomatoes. Like, I don't know if y'all can see all of these tomatoes on here, but I'm hopeful that I can get some off of here, that some of them will ripen. Can you see that? Just full. There's a ripe one there. One, maybe two. They're starting to color up, so we hope. And I didn't really get much off of this Roma tomato. It's, you know, putting off more flowers now, but it's the end of the season, so don't know if it'll be warm enough for these to blush out. Hope springs eternal. This the foolery that had me caught out there. It almost destroyed me. And this is the bell pepper that I had started from seed that I was initially going to throw away because I didn't see anything. But look, it finally started to fruit. So it's got some bell peppers on here. I mean, all kinds of flowers, but we'll see if we get anything. At the point that you see the fruit, you can eat it. Who knows how it's going to turn out? And I found this watermelon over here. Don't know if this watermelon's going to do anything, but I'm just going to let it sit on the vine for as long as possible to get ripe. We're at the end of August up here. So we'll see. Not quite as lovely as it was in the springtime, but still nice. And my white flowers, my roses are kind of blooming. They smell amazing. But yeah, it's just about time to start cutting things back. And a doodle. Hi, sweet boy. So we'll see how it goes over here. Oh, y'all, forgot I was out here the other day trying to move this around, and I don't know if I can get it. But there, I found down here another little watermelon. Can you see it? Yeah. Gonna leave it on the vine for as long as possible. This week I planted this lettuce, but I also want to plant some bok choy and some Swiss chard as it's cooler, and we'll see how it does. That's pretty much it. It's turned humid again, and it's getting later, and I have a bedtime and work to do. So I'm gonna call it a night, y'all. Bye.